We're at it again with some more skincare routine anatomy. And today I want to focus on the third category of your routine, which is the protection or moisturization. Chances are, if you are watching this video, you identify as a female and you are between 25 and 45 years of age. You have a lot on your plate right now. Figuring out which moisturizer to use shouldn't take up any of your mental bandwidth. So I approach choosing a moisturizer much like I approach choosing a facial cleanser. It should be boring, gentle, and get the job done. You really need 2 moisturizers for your facial skincare routine. You should have a thicker cream that you kind of scoop out of a tub that is great to use in the wintertime, or if you live in like a ski town where there's negative 30% humidity, or if your skin is really irritated and the barrier is impaired. And then you should also have a thinner lotion type moisturizer that if you have layered 5 different serums on your skin, you probably don't need a super thick moisturizer. Or if it's the summertime and it's a little bit more humid out, you also don't need that super thick barrier on your skin. So here are my favorite, more thick kind of wintertime moisturizers and my thinner, more summertime lotions for your face.